Hey everyone, welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to fix an error where your device is missing an important Windows security update. To do this, we'll need to go into Run. Type Services here. Let's go in. Here we need to find Windows Update. There's Windows Update right there. Right-click on it, go to Properties, and select Automatic. Then click Start and hit Apply. Restart your computer, or first go to Updates and try to update. If that doesn't help, go to your C drive, then the Windows folder. There's a folder called Software Distribution. Just delete everything inside it. There it is. Then restart your computer. If that doesn't help, open Command Prompt. Type SFC chuck scano, hit enter, and run it as administrator. Type SFC or scano and let the diagnostic run. Then restart your computer, and that's it. Oh wait. You can also go into Settings, specifically into Troubleshoot. Troubleshoot settings are right here. Other troubleshooters. Here we have the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Run it. It might help. This was Valor. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See ya.